Hey, how are you? Not much. What are you doing? Can I borrow your truck for a little while? My truck needs an oil change, so I just need to borrow a truck for a bit and grab something. Okay, cool. All right, cool. Thanks, Mom. Well, I know. I just figured I'd ask. I know you. I didn't know you. I knew you didn't care. Okay, thanks, Mom. Appreciate it. Love you. Bye. My mom's so nice. She doesn't even care. She's just like, yeah, of course. You don't have to ask to borrow my truck, even though I have a perfectly good truck. She's a sweet lady. All right, let's go pick the truck up. All right, so here's my mom's truck. As you can tell, it has seen better days. So let's see if we can get this thing shining again like it used to. This used to be a very beautiful truck, so I'm excited for this. This should be a fun one. Let's do it, boys. But I know we can do more. We can do more with this. All right, the wheels are as clean as I'm gonna get them for right now, but let's get started on Spain, huh? That was nasty, but satisfying. All right, let's move on. It's actually insane how much stuff is coming out of this window. This is wild. All these edges right here. Well, who thought that was a good idea? Alright, now for the fun part. The foam cannon. Months ago. The guy hit her in the back. She was stopped at a stoplight, and he ran away. Real good guy. Thank you for that, Mr. Dude who was driving the Jeep Wrangler. Okay, the truck already looks a million times better. Like, I'm pretty impressed with how it's turned out so far. The only thing I'm worried about, because I want to polish it. It's never been polished in its entire life. It's never been protected in its entire life. The only thing I'm worried about is this stupid PPF. It looks horrible. And I don't really know how to do it, how to remove it a good way. I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. So, all right, let's pull the truck in. Let's take a better look at this. We'll dry it off. All right, let's dry this thing off thoroughly and inspect what we got to work with here. All right, truck's a hell of a lot cleaner now. It's already 10x better than what it was before. Now it's time to clay bar it. Then we're just gonna polish this thing. Just bring back some shine and then I'll protect it. And it's gonna look like $1,000,000. I'm excited for this. This should be fun. The truck already looks super good. I'm impressed. Way better than I expected it would. So, all right, let's keep moving. If you don't know what clay barring is, it's pretty much to get contaminants off your paint to make it nice and smooth so it feels very soft. Whereas if there's contaminants built in that you can't get off with regular scrubbing, this will help you. And then when we get to polish it, there will be a lot less debris on the pad, so I don't have to blow it out very often. So this should help a lot. By the way, if you don't know what PPF is, paint protection film, I think. You can see like this hard line right here. It's a plastic clear, like a clear bra that they put over your paint to protect it from rock chips. Most new cars have it, but it's a pain in the butt. Obviously it's there for a reason. Alright, so now the whole truck has been clay barred now. It's impressive, like, I am shocked how much came off of the PPF just with this clay bar. I mean, I scrubbed it with the while I was washing it, but wow, that's crazy. All that iron came off. Look at the chrome. 10 times better. I'm impressed. Look at this side. That's so much better. I am shocked. Wow. This is amazing. All right, let's polish this bad boy and move on. All right. Forgot that was up there. Did I break it? Nay.
Ha nacido el Redentor. De oriente sale el rey para adorar al Dios niño, y una estrella le guiaba para seguir su camino.
That looks so good. So, just polished the entire truck. It is not perfect, don't get me wrong. It's not perfect, but wow. Wow, did that make a difference. I don't have the best lighting in here, but finally this thing has a nice, even shine to it. I mean, look at that. You can see it from there. All right, we're gonna see if we can get some of this nastiness on the headlights off. We'll see what happens. I'm debating whether I want to wet sand that. It's probably what I should do. The chrome is actually in really good condition. I'm shocked. I mean, the paint is softer, cleaner, shinier than it's been probably ever. It looks so good. Looks so good. She's gonna be jacked. All right, I gotta get back to work. I got so much to do, so little time. Let's do it. This one's better, but nah, it would need more, a lot more. Yeah. I don't have time. We're gonna try this stuff. I'm gonna give this a shot. Just with my hand. I can't imagine it's gonna do a whole lot, but see if I can get just some of this grime off. I don't really want to change pads right now. It's better. They're not perfect though. Alright, I'll come back to it. I got a lot of work to do. We're taking this thing off. I can't do it, it's so ugly. It's broken. Nice. Did I break it? Or is this just not on there? How does that even happen? Where the... There we go. The next part, I haven't worried about this, so we're gonna see if we can rejuvenate these wheels at all. I don't know if we can. They are pretty cooked from all the salt and whatnot we have around here, but we're gonna give it a try. That should give you a good idea about how cooked these wheels are. So I got this new polisher from Mother's, and I'm gonna try the old mag and aluminum polish. Let's see what we can do to these wheels. I'm not expecting much, but if I can get them any better than this, that would be huge. Okay, we have some mag freaking A. Okay, it's not perfect. It's not perfect, but look at that. We got some shine back in these bad boys. can say that I admit defeat. These wheels are a ton of work. I think I just spent the last half hour, 45 minutes on this one wheel, and I still can't get it. The barrel, I got to be pretty shiny. It looks pretty good. I don't know. Maybe I'll just splurge and I'll get these blasted and repowder coated for my mom. That'd be awesome. Honestly, this thing would look so good with just this. Just these wheels redone. They're so bad. Yeah, I'm gonna admit defeat on these. Whew. Damn it. Alright, well I still have a little bit of energy left. I'm gonna spray the truck with this hybrid ceramic coating. I really, really like this stuff. I've used it on a few cars now, and it turned out, it makes it silky smooth, gives it all those hydrophobic properties so you can, when rain gets on it or anything like that, it's like just bounces off it. It's the coolest thing ever. So we're gonna spray the truck down with that, and clean up the inside a little bit. More time. I'm running out of time, so I need to get this done. Take it back to Mom's house. But wow, this looks like a different truck. Now, I'm going to put some shine on these tires, clean the windows, vacuum this bad boy, take it back home to Mom.
De oriente salen de reyes para adorar al Dios niño, y una estrella le guiaba para seguir su camino.
Damn it. I used the wrong rag. Ay. That looks good. Wow. You didn't know it, did you?
No.
Come here. Come check it out. Come look at it. It looks a million times different than it used to.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, it looks like a brand new truck again, huh? The only thing I wasn't able to do, I wasn't able to get the wheels as clean as I wanted,
No,
but
that's okay though. That's beautiful.
yeah,
Wow.
right?
You read my mind though.
Yeah, I spent the last 8 hours working on it.
Wow.
Yeah, I polished the whole thing. I waxed it, or I coated it.
Wow, that's
Looks like a brand new truck, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, better than.
Yeah, there was like
Ew.
so much stuff caked onto these, like rust and
Yeah.
old stuff. It took me hours to get it off.
Yeah, that's
but,
awesome. Did
I mean,
you
it
do
looks
the
like
inside?
brand new. A lot more than, yeah, I mean.
Yeah, that's nice. Thank you.
Yeah, I did a lot more to the front than the back. I just didn't have a whole lot of time.
You had some receipts.
There's a bunch of receipts in that bag, but yeah, what do you think?
It's awesome.
Yeah, it looks like a new truck comparatively, right?
Yeah.
I'm pretty happy with it.
You did awesome.
Thanks, Mom. Yeah, I hope you like it.
Yeah.
It should be clean. I coated it,
It's-
so now like when it rains, it shouldn't
Oh, you did?
stick
Oh,
as much.
Awesome.
Yeah,
You know, that's what I wanted.
looks cool, huh?
It would look so bad, and it looks so good. Like, it looks like a brand new truck.
Good. I'm glad to
So
hear that.
Exciting.
Yeah, it does look like brand new again, huh?
Yeah. Wow. That's amazing.
Yeah. Thank you.
That is
I
really
appreciate that.
amazing.
But yeah, you like your present?
Yeah.
All right. Well, thanks, Mom. I really appreciate it. I'm glad you like it. And we'll see you next time.
Yeah.
Bye.